In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Reconcile feature within the bank section of LimeBooks. So, to reconcile your bank account, once you've posted your transactions, simply head to Bank Accounts, select the account that you want to reconcile the bank for by pressing on Reconcile. Once you're in the Reconcile page, what you need to do is, in the top right, we've got the date here. Put this date to the date that you want to reconcile the account up to. In this case, I'm going to go for the 17th of February 2022, then click on Get Transactions. So I've got all the transactions in there now. What you need to do is, based on what's on the statement at this date here, enter the balance that is on the bank statement. In this case, that's our figure. And now you can either run through, select these one at a time, or you can select all. In this case, we can see that here's the account balance. This is the unmatched balance because we've matched it all. And the difference is £543.23. So we've got to find where that's coming from. Now, the fact we've selected all transactions and there is difference, that could mean that either there's too much in here or there's not enough in here. Most of the time you'll find this will reconcile, but in this particular case I've left this amount on purpose as a difference. So what we need to do is go back to bank accounts and check that you have posted everything. So in this case there was a transaction yet to be posted, but this is the correct balance. That's the balance we're working with, £4,327.84. Now that balance there includes everything that has been posted in, but also it includes anything sat in the process import section. So this bank balance here is a running balance of everything that's been set into this account by posting them, but also those that are waiting to be posted. Now I'll just post this final transaction, post, and I'll head back to reconcile. So now if I go to reconcile, follow those steps that we've just done. So again, enter the date that you want to reconcile up to, get transactions, enter the balance per the bank statement itself, and then the quickest option I think is select all. Now you can see the reconcile button can be clicked. Until you actually have a reconciled bank by selecting these, it won't allow you to click on the button. Now you can see we've highlighted them all. The unmatched balance is 0 because we've highlighted every transaction in the list. The difference is 0. That's it. Click on reconcile. Now we can see reconciliations complete, so the selected transactions have been flagged as bank reconciled. So if we go to bank, transactions, you'll see we've marked these now as bank reconciled. And that's it. Now I'll just show you quickly the second account we've got in here, which I know all transactions have been posted. Now what would normally happen, assuming you have imported all statements, you haven't deleted any transactions, it should just reconcile based on the transactions you've imported, because LimeBooks prevents duplicates, and as long as you're importing the full period that you're working with, there wouldn't be any reason it shouldn't reconcile. So in this case, I'll do this second account, reconcile. This one is to the 19th of Jan 2022, enter the statement balance, and then simply select all, reconcile. So that's how quick it should be. Again, as I say, unless there's something that you're missing, you might have deleted a transaction, you might not have imported a statement, or you might not have fully posted all of the transactions. So those are the key things to look out for if it's not reconciling for some reason. Worst case, if that's still not helping you, what we suggest doing is go to reporting, generate the running balance report for the bank that you're working with, for the date range that you're working with, and then you can generate the balance report and compare this, if it's easier for you, to the actual bank statement itself. So there are a couple of ways that you can reconcile the bank, but to mark them as reconciled, that's where you'd use the reconcile feature. Thanks for watching.